Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Profit Loss and Discount Chapter 8, Exercise 8B. Before we begin, let's go through some important formulae. So this is the first one. Profit or gain percent is profit by cost price into 100%. Now these are formula you already know, but you need to learn all these well so that you can apply it. So when profit or gain percent is asked, the formula is profit by cost price into 100%. Now if loss percent is asked, we say loss by cost price into 100%. In both the cases, can you see we are dividing it by the cost price. Then, to find the selling price when cost price and gain or profit are given, directly we can use this formula. Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost price. This is when cost price and gain are given and we have to find the selling price. So once again, to find the selling price when cost price and gain percent are given, this is the formula. Now, to find selling price when cost price and loss percent, here it is gain percent, here loss percent when it's given, how do we find the selling price? Same way we say selling price is equal to 100. Now here because it's loss we say minus the loss percent by 100 into cost price. This is to find selling price. Now, if we have to find cost price when selling price and gain percent are given, we say cost price equals 100 divided, this time can you see, divided by 100 plus gain percent into cost price. So here for selling price we had it in the numerator. To find cost price we have the same thing in the denominator. It's just the reciprocal of this formula. Then to find the cost price when selling price and the loss percent are given, we say cost price equals 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into the cost price. So if you learn up these formulae, you can apply them whenever you need to. So now let's begin exercise 8B, which is found on page number 103. This is question 1, the multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Question 1. Identical pens are bought at 10 for 80 rupees. That means 10 pens for 80 rupees. If these pens are sold at 25% profit, the selling price per pen is what we need to find out. So here what have we been given? We have been given the cost price of 10 pence and we've been given the profit percent. So the formula to find selling price when cost price and profit percent are given is what you're going to apply here. Now here we've been given the cost price of 10 pence. We have to find the cost price of 1 pen. So let's begin by saying cost price of 10 pence is 80 rupees. So cost price of 1 pen will be 80 rupees divided by 10. 80 divided by 10 is 8. That means the cost price of 1 pen is 8 rupees. So now we've got the cost price of 1 pen and we have the profit percent. And the profit percent is 25%. Now to find the selling price, let's apply the formula we just learned. So that will be 100 by plus profit percent divided by 100 into the cost price. So let's substitute here and let's do. So this will be 100 plus profit percent is 25% divided by 100 into cost price, and cost price we found out to be 8. So this is now equal to 100 plus 25 is 125 divided by 100 into 8. Let's cancel. So I can cancel 8 and 100, or I can cancel these also 125 and 100 both by 25. So let's do that. 25 fives are 125, 25 fours are 100. I can cancel 4 and 8. 4 twos are 8. Now multiply these two. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So what have we found? We have found the selling price, and the selling price is 10 rupees. So this is our answer. And which option is that? That is option B, 10 rupees. Question 2. If cost price of 20 identical articles is the same as the selling price of 25 articles, the profit or the loss as percent is what we need to find out. So, we are told that the cost price of 20 identical articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. So, let the cost price of 20 articles be 100 rupees. Let's take this as 100 rupees. The cost price of 20 articles. So let's find out the cost price of one article. That will be 100 divided by 20. And we can cancel this, and 2 5s are 10. That means the cost price of one article is 5 rupees. So we have found the cost price of one article. Now we know that selling price of 25 articles is equal to the cost price of 20 articles, and we said let the cost price of 20 articles be 100. So this is equal to 100 rupees. So now we can find the selling price of one article because the selling price of 25 articles is 100 rupees. So to find the selling price of one article, we say 100 divided by 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So here we have found the selling price of one article, and that is 4 rupees. So we know the cost price is more than the selling price. That means there has been a loss. So the loss will be cost price minus the selling price. That is 5 rupees minus 4 rupees. That means the loss is 1 rupee. Now we've been asked to find the loss percent. The formula is loss divided by cost price into 100%. The loss is 1 rupee. The cost price, what is the cost price? The cost price is 5 rupees into 100. So this is into 100%. Now let's cancel. 5 into 20. 5 into 20 is 100. Now multiply 1 into 20 is 20%. So this is our answer. The loss percent is 20%, and this is loss. Okay, so remember it is a loss of 20%. So this is our answer. So let's look at the options here. The option is option C, 20% loss. Now let's learn some discount formulae that you can use. To find selling price when marked price and discount are given, you just have to subtract both. To find the discount when marked price and selling price are given, you have to subtract these. Now if discount is D%, then to find the selling price, this is the formula. To find the marked price, this is the formula. Now if you have to find the discount percent, then the formula is discount by marked price into 100%. Now let's use these formulae in our questions. Question 3. The marked price of an article is 500 rupees. It is sold for 400 rupees. What is the discount is the question. So the marked price of the article given to us is 500 rupees. We are also given the selling price of the article, that is 400 rupees. Now we are asked to find the discount. So discount will be marked price minus selling price. That is, marked price is 500 rupees. Selling price is 400 rupees. Subtract the two. What you get, 500 minus 400 is 100. So this is the discount. Now if you look at the answers, it's all in percentage, isn't it? That means we have to find the discount percent. Let's use the formula. Discount percent is discount divided by marked price into 100%. So that is discount is 100 rupees. The marked price is 500 rupees given to us into 100%. So here we can cancel. I can cancel the 2 zeros here and the 2 zeros here. Now I have to divide 100 by 5. 5 into 20 is 100, and this is 20%. So we have found our discount here. The discount is 20%, and that is option B, 20%. Question 4. An article is marked at 800 rupees and it is sold at 20% discount. Now we have to find the selling price. So to find the selling price when marked price and the discount percent is given, remember to use the correct formula. Let's begin. Marked price of an article is 800 rupees. The discount is 20%. To find the selling price, we say 100 minus the discount percent divided by 100 into marked price. So this is 100 minus 20 divided by 100 into the marked price. And the marked price is 800. So here 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 by 100 into 800. So here we can cancel the two zeros here. Now we just have to multiply 80 into 8. So 8 8s are 64 and the 0. So we have 640. So what have we found? We have found the selling price and that is 640 rupees. And that is which option? Option C, 640. Question 5. By selling 10 articles, a man gains equal to cost price of 2 articles. Now we have to find the profit that is made. So what is his gain? His gain is the cost price of 2 articles. So first we have to find the cost price of 1 article. So let's say, let the cost price of 1 article be 100 rupees. And here it says, by selling 10 articles, he gets this. So this becomes the total cost price. The total cost price will now be cost price of 1 article, that is 100 rupees, into 10, that is 10 articles. This makes it 1000 rupees. So this is the total cost price. Now what is his gain? His gain is the cost price of 2 articles. So that means cost price of 2 articles or the profit is 100, which is the cost price of 1 article, into 2. So that is 100 rupees into 2, which makes it 200 rupees. So now we have the cost price of 2 articles, which is the profit. We have the profit, we have the total cost price. Now we have to find the profit percent by using the formula profit by cost price into 100%. So profit is 200 rupees. The cost price is 1000 rupees. Multiply this by 100%. Now let's simplify, cancel the two zeros here. Now here we have 200 divided by 10. We can cancel one zero. So what is left is only 20 and that makes it 20%. So the profit made is 20% and in our options we have option B as 20%. That's our answer. Question 2. A fruit seller sells 4 oranges for 3 rupees, gaining 50%. Find the cost price of 4 oranges. So here we have been given a profit percent or the gain percent, and we have also been told the selling price of 4 oranges. Now to find the cost price when gain percent and selling price are given, there is a particular formula. But we need to find the selling price of 1 orange before that. Okay, so let's begin by saying selling price of 4 oranges is given to us. That means we can find the selling price of 1 orange. That will be 3 rupees, 3 by 4. So this is 3/4 of a rupee. This is the selling price of 1 orange and we've also been given the profit percent. Now that we have the selling price of 1 orange and the profit percent, we can use the formula cost price of 1 orange is 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent into selling price. So let's simplify this. So this will be 100 divided by 100 plus profit percent, and profit percent is 50. This is the profit percent and this we multiply into the selling price and the selling price is 3 by 4. So this is 100 divided by 150 into 3 by 4. Let's simplify. I can cancel the zeros. Now I can cancel this. 3 5s are 15. I can cancel 5 and 10. 5 2s are 10 and I can cancel 2 and 4 2. So the cost price of 1 orange is 1 by 2 rupee, that is half a rupee. So we have found the cost price of 1 orange. Now we can find the cost price of 4 oranges. 4 into 1 by 2. Now cancel here 2. So now we have found the cost price of 4 oranges to be 2 rupees. So this is the first question. Find the cost price of 4 oranges and we have found that the cost price of 4 oranges is 2 rupees. Then we've been asked to find the cost price of 1 orange, which we already found to be half a rupee. That is, cost price of 1 orange we can say is 0 0.50, or we can say 50 paise. 50 paise is the cost price of one orange. The third question is we have to find the selling price of one orange. Now, selling price also we have found the selling price of one orange is 3/4 of a rupee. Now, 3/4 of a rupee means 75 paise. So we can say 0.75 paise, or we can simply write it as 75 paise here. So we have found three answers. First, we found the cost price of 4 oranges to be rupees 2. We found the cost price of one orange, 50 paise, and the selling price of one orange, 75 paise. Fourth question is we have to find the profit made by selling one orange, and that we find by subtracting the selling price of one orange and the selling cost price of one orange. So profit is selling price minus cost price, and the selling price we have found out is 75 paise or 0.75 rupee, and the cost price is 50 paise or 0.50 rupee. When you subtract both, you get 0.25. So we have found the profit. The profit is rupees 0.25. So this is the answer to the fourth question. Now we have a fifth question. That is, here it says we have to find the number of oranges that need to be bought and sold in order to gain 24 rupees. When we bought and sold one orange, our profit was 25 paise. Now, how many oranges should we buy and sell so that we get a profit of 24 rupees? So that means let the number of oranges that need to be bought to gain 24 rupees be x. So we have to find the number of oranges. Let that number be x. Then gain on x oranges we know is 24 rupees. Let's write that. So that is 24 rupees. To find that, we have to say profit into number of oranges, and profit is 0.25 into number of oranges x. Now we have to solve for x to find the number of oranges. So x is equal to 24 divided by 0.25. Now let's simplify this. So x is equal to 24. Now here I can write this as 0.25. I can write it as 25 by 100, isn't it? So 24 divided by 25 by 100. I'm writing that as a fraction. Now let's simplify this further. So x is equal to 24. Division changes to multiplication, 100 by 25. Now I can cancel 25. 4s are 100. Multiply 24 into 4. We get 96. That means x is equal to 96. So what is our question? How many oranges should be bought so that we get a gain of 24 rupees? The answer is 96 oranges. So we should buy 96 oranges and sell them. Only then we will get a profit of 24 rupees. So this is our answer. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.